West Valley area officers responded to a radio call for a 415 man with a gun at an apartment complex in the 6400 block of Reseda Boulevard. The caller reported that the suspect was trespassing inside the apartment complex and shouting obscenities while armed with a handgun. The suspect was later identified as Yervan Sarobian.
Area 18 has eyes on the suspect on the north side of the complex walking towards Reseda.
He's pointing it at us now.
Hey, Connie, you close back for my current location.
Alright, he's shooting in our direction. We're going to get a little altitude here. Let's make this a house call.
All units, officer needs help 642 Reseda Boulevard. Officer needs help 642 by Reseda.
Let us handle business. Get back here.
Currently, nobody walking around inside. We've told them to lock it down several times.
Yes.
Alright, shield only, taser, DCO, arrest team. I got 40. Sarge, you got comms.
Got it. Clear. Just a resident. Sir, get back. Go in your resident.
Go inside.
Go inside. White shirt.
Watch left. It's open left.
It's clear. It's a white shirt.
Just on your left. If you're leaning right up against it, you guys have the gun in his hand.
He's right here. Back up, you call out. Back up, you call out.
Is there anybody else on that gate?
It's right here. Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun right now!
Tell him he's gonna get shot if he doesn't drop the gun.
You're gonna be shot if you do not drop the gun! Drop it right now! This is Los Angeles Police Department!
Give him the 40 warning.
Yeah, 40 warning. If you do not drop the gun, we may use less lethal, and it may hurt and cause serious bodily injury.
Tarasoff, move your head. Move your head. I'm gonna take a 40 shot. Yeah?
Drop it!
Okay, if you're
Good.
gonna approach it, then back.
Ready? 40 up, 40 only.
Drop the gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer needs help!
Is there anybody else on that gate?
He's right here. Right here. Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun right now!
Tell him he's gonna get shot if he doesn't drop the gun.
You're gonna be shot if you do not drop the gun! Drop it right now! This is Los Angeles Police Department!
33 in contact with the suspect.
40 warning.
If you do not drop the gun, we may use less lethal, and it may hurt and cause serious bodily injury. Yeah, I got it.
Drop it!
Okay, if you're gonna approach it, then back.
Drop the gun! Drop! Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer needs help! Do not move! Let me see your head!
Where's the gun?
Let me see your head! Put your hands up right now!
We hit him with the 40 again. He's moving. He's moving his arm. Heads up. 40 up, 40 up, 40 only.
Drop the gun! Let me see your head!
The officers rendered medical aid to Sarobian by applying direct pressure to his wounds and performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, until paramedics arrived. Investigators recovered a Smith & Wesson 6-cylinder revolver with 6 fired cartridge casings inside the cylinder at the scene and booked them as evidence.